Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you my Morphe haul. So I have got a lot of things from Morphe. Few things are yet to come, and also I have created this look with using those products. So if you want to know how I have created this look and also about the haul, then keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's first talk about all the products. So I have got lot of products from Morphe website. This is the MorpheBrushes website. So last year when JACLYN HILL has collaborated with Morphe and released this one eyeshadow palette, so I ordered it. That time I was in the beginning of eye makeup and all, so I ordered it, and I found a very vast and huge difference in quality with the products that are available in India, and that is in Morphe, and the prices of the product are also so good. They are very affordable, very cheap. So this year when JACLYN came up with this palette, I immediately ordered. Like, I was one of the first person to order online. So yeah, this is the Morphe JACLYN HILL Ball collection. You have 4 eyeshadow palettes in that, and each of the eyeshadow palettes are having 10 eyeshadows, and they have different theme in the eyeshadow palette. So one of them is called Bling Boss, Armed and Gorgeous, Dark Magic, Ring the Alarm. So today I have used the shade Armed and Gorgeous to create this look. They are very good, very pigmented. Apart from that, since I am ordering a lot of things from Morphe, so I have ordered also this 39A palette from Morphe. This is also a very good palette, and you have so many eyeshadows, and some are very big eyeshadows, so many colorful eyeshadows. So I ordered this because I am ordering this, so I thought, okay, let me give a big order to get something from Morphe. Apart from that, I also have ordered one more eyeshadow palette which is yet to come, and at Morphe website you can get eye candy products. I have ordered this liquid sugar. This is a glitter glue, and this is the eye candy glitters. One is in maroon red, another is in blue, so that I can create more festive look in this, and these are all very affordable products. So I have ordered it from Morphe website. So last year when I ordered it from Morphe website, they have delivered it using FedEx, and there I have paid shipping charge plus custom charges. Custom charge was more than 50% of the price of the product, but this time there was no custom charges. This time it was not through FedEx. From US to India it came through DHL, and after DHL, when it is handed over to India, it came to Indian Post, and it took some time, and you know, it was the products were not handled so much carefully. But yeah, it came through the Indian Post, and I did not have to pay any kind of custom charges. So in total, so many products, it was very reasonable for me. The prices are very reasonable for me. I only paid $34 shipping charges, nothing other custom charges I paid for this product. So yeah, this is how I get it. So yeah, I have created this look using the Morphe eyeshadow palette. I am so excited and so happy to get this product. So I'm gonna use this so much, and the best part about this eyeshadow palette is that you can use this to bronze your face, powder your face, use as an highlighter, anything you can do, because the quality of the powders is so good. You can use this for multi-purpose. So yeah, I'm really happy about it. Let's move into the makeup tutorial. So first I'm gonna quickly finish off my face makeup, and then I'm gonna move into the eyeshadows. So for my base, the under eye cream that I'm gonna use is this from L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Antioxidant Grapeseed Hydrating Eye Gel. So I have couple of the eye gels or under eye creams that I use regularly, and I think this has reduced my pigmentation definitely. For rest of my face, I'm gonna use this Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. So this is a good moisturizer. So I'm gonna take it the rest of the places, and also I'm going to take it for my neck. So I'm going to let my cream to sit for some time. I think till 5 minutes I'll wait. Next, for priming my face, I'm going to use this Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. For foundations, I'm going to use the concoction of PAC Cosmetics foundation in the number 3.5. It is slightly lighter than my skin tone, and the LA Girl Pro Matte foundation in the shade Golden Bronze. It is slightly deeper than my skin tone. So I'm going to mix these two and create a concoction in a plate like this and apply it on my face. So I have taken one pump of each. So both the foundations are thick in consistency. Next I'm going to take a beauty blender and blend everything. So I'm going to let the foundation set for some time. Meantime, I'm going to finish my brows. For my brows, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Kareena Kapoor Khan Brow Definer and get that. Brows are done. Next, I'm going to move into concealer. I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And also, I'm going to use this concealer to clean up my brows. And whatever is left, I'm gonna go over my eyelid to slightly prime my eyelid. Once I have set my concealer, I'm gonna take this PAC brush. This is PAC 245. This is a new brush, so I'm gonna use this to set my under eyes, basically bake my under eyes. For baking my under eyes, I'm gonna use this Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 25, Maybelline Fit Me. So this PAC brush is quite good to load powder under my eye. So I'm gonna let this powder to set for some time. Meantime, I'm gonna finish off my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm gonna use this Morphe JACLYN HILL collaboration palette, Armed and Gorgeous. So this is one of the palettes from her collaboration, and it has slight yellow dots. I don't think camera is picking up, but there are some yellow dots in it. So that means it has all the yellow tone colors. So this is how it looks. And it has a big mirror also here. So I have seen in one of her videos, JACLYN HILL has used this palette and created a yellow, she has used this yellow, orangey and this golden color to create a look. So I'm gonna try to recreate that look. Now this palette does not have a eyeshadow which can apply it on all over my eyelid. So I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette, Dark Magic, and in that there is a shade called Poof. So I'm gonna take this and apply it all over my eyelid. So I'm gonna use this Morphe brushes because I'm using every Morphe. So today I'm using this Morphe brushes. This is Morphe M504. This is a very big fluffy brush, very perfect for my eyelid because I have quite a lot of space for my eyelid. So I'm gonna apply this on all over my eyelid to give an even base for the eyeshadow. Next I'm gonna move into eyeshadows. I'm going to take this yellow eyeshadow and apply it on my crease using the same big fluffy brush. Next I'm going to take this shade Secure, more define my crease, and I'm going to put this orange shade below the yellow one so that I don't cover the yellow. And I'm using this Morphe brush E17. Next, taking this fluffy brush, this is Morphe M433. I'm gonna blend everything. Next, I'm gonna take this Lakme Absolute White Intense Liquid Concealer to cut the crease using a flat brush. This is from Fulzy, and I'm going to take the product on the back of my hand. Once I have applied the concealer, before it dries, I'm going to take the shade Coin and apply it on all over my eyelid. And this is an eyeshadow brush. There is no brand name of this. Next, taking this E17 brush, I'm gonna take the shade Secure and I'm gonna define it. Next, I'm gonna take this shade Smooth Criminal for my outer corner. So I have taken a little bit of this brown shades, Foul and Smooth Criminal, and blended it to my outer corner so that the glittery and the matte eyeshadow blends nicely. Same thing I'm gonna do for my other eye also. Next I'm gonna take this orangey shade and apply it to my lower lash line using this Morphe M506. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Secure also. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Secure and excess. Next I'm gonna take this shade Top Secret. This is a very beautiful green shade, and I'm gonna take this Morphe M432 brush and apply this green shade close to my lash line. Next I'm going to take this Lakme 925 Natural Gel Eyeliner in the shade Olive Green, and I'm going to use it to my waterline. Next I'm going to put some lashes and mascara and get back to you. So I have used this Spec M75 lashes. Now for bronzing my face, I'm going to use this 39A palette. This has very big beautiful colors in it, these big colors in the middle. So I'm going to use this to bronze my face, and I'm taking the same pack 245 brush. Next I'm going to take this light shade, white shimmery shade called VIP, and use this to highlight my inner corner. And I'm using this Morphe M213 brush. Next for highlighter I'm going to use this Mary Luminizer. For lips I'm going to use this Nykaa Matte Lash lipstick in the shade Le Pondy. Next for blush I'm going to use this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush, and I'm going to take this shade and apply it to the apples of my cheeks, taking the same pack brush. I'm going to spray some Fix Plus all over my face. So yeah, that's the finished look. So I absolutely love all the JACLYN HILL eyeshadow palette and even the Morphe 39A palette. These are high quality, very good products. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.